Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian. Caribbean Fashion Week CFW 2020 cancelled. In response to the global coronavirus pandemic, the organizers of CFW have decided to cancel this year's staging of the premier fashion event, which was scheduled for June 11 to 15. Speaking with E Prime, Paul's co-managing director Romay Gordon shared that continued travel bans influenced the decision to cancel.
It was just the right decision to cancel CFW this year. We had major plans for the 20th anniversary of CFW, opposed to celebrating 40 this year as well. And it was just very difficult to put travel plans in place. CFW is an event where people come from all over the world. We had a big Africa initiative launched last year, a partnership with Africa and the Caribbean, and we had expected to expand that this year. But obviously, we have to, adapt to the times.
CFW is renowned for providing a showcase for fashion designers from Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the diaspora, and last year had representation from Africa. Bacchanal JA Carnival dates announced. On the heels of their virtual carnival experience, Bacchanal JA has announced their schedule of events for Carnival 2020. The festivities will kick off on August 8 with the premium events, with Juve and the Road March scheduled for October 23 and 25 respectively. Now it's dancehall versus soca at Island Frequency. Dancehall and soca will face off this Saturday night as Fame 95 FM DJs Wizkid and Narity plus Hits 92 FM's Roderick and Xavier will blaze on the airwaves and online. Partygoers will be able to zoom and party online across major social media platforms. That's it for this weekend's edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian. See you at Island Frequency.